Hello and welcome to Cook It Like Chef Shrimpy. We bring the sexy back. Today I'll be showing you how to make a cabbage and fresh apple salad. Our ingredients are 2.5 pounds of fresh cabbage, 2 pounds of fresh apple, 1.5 ounce of red onion, a quarter ounce of salt, and 1 cup of water. Shred the cabbage as fine as you can. Don't cut your fingers. Cut the onions, cut and blend the apples with 1 cup of water, including the core of the cabbage. Combine all the ingredients and toss together. This salad have a lot of nutrition values to it. There is so many things you can do with cabbage, and this is one of the best I found. And oh my gosh, you will see the changes in your body once you fall in love with this salad. It is delicious. Store it in your refrigerator. Enjoy it.